Today we are replacing this water heater with a new one. The first step in replacing a water heater is to drain the one that you are going to take out. You do this by attaching the pump and then attaching the hose to the pump. We let the hose out the back door so the water heater can drain out all of the water. The pump is such an advantage when you're having to drain a water heater because without it, it would take an hour or more for it to fully drain. But with it, it only took about 15 minutes. Next, we're going to be detaching the wiring, and then we're going to start detaching all of the plumbing. We're taking off the expansion tank on this water heater and won't be installing another one. This is because they already have an expansion tank in their house that's way bigger than the one that's on this water heater, so it's really not necessary to put another one on. Then you're going to see that he's detaching the plumbing in preparation to rebuild the plumbing for the next water heater that they will be putting in. The old water heater is ready to go, and the new one is ready to be put in. You'll see here he is wrapping plumber's tape around the threads of the water heater and adding sealant on top of that. This is to ensure that when he puts on the new pipe fittings, they are secure and not going anywhere. Here is when he begins to put on the new pipe fittings and uses a wrench to tighten them down properly. I did want to show you the difference in yearly costs these water heaters had. The old one they previously had was costing them around $544 a year, and the new one will cost them around $104 a year. That's an insane difference. The final steps of this project is to rework the plumbing and reattach the wiring. Once that is complete and everything looks good, the job is done. We turn on the water heater and turn back on the water supply, and it's good to go. And here is the water heater fully installed with the proper plumbing. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.